Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. So often, when asked to do something difficult, we'll automatically turn to the negative mode and say, we can't because. Think of some of the great moves forward in history. We can't make ships from steel because things that are heavier than water will sink. We can't make a machine that can fly under its own power because there's nothing to hold up things that are heavier than air. When we frame our responses in the negative of can't because, we disallow any chance of innovative thinking. John F. Kennedy famously declared he would send men to the moon and bring them back safely without a clue as to what technology the rocket scientists would have to invent to accomplish such a mission. Martin Luther King had a dream that he would be judged by the content of their character rather than the color of their skin, but had little idea of how the Civil Rights Act would end Jim Crow discriminatory legislation. Henry Ford had a pithy way of expressing the sentiment. Whether you think you can or you can't, either way you're right. What you need to do when facing a tough challenge is to adopt the can-if frame of mind. This orients you towards possibility and allows a suspension of disbelief for long enough to come up with a crazy idea that just might work. Or, if that crazy idea doesn't work, it can serve as a springboard for the one that does. We can if we access the knowledge of. We introduce we think of it as, we fund it by, we substitute this for that. We resource it by, we use other people to. We can if thinking opens up possibility and stimulates the process of creative problem solving. If you want better results, develop the habit of thinking can if and consign can't because to history. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.